Hello everyone, we are Kaphaphysio, the manufacturer of EMfocus. Today I'm gonna show you how to install EMfocus. First, let me show you what you will get. 2 water pipe, Shockwave handle, power cable, of course, the machine. First, we need to install the handle. This is the first time you're using the machine. You need to add the purified water or distilled water into the machine. The long one, insert the inlet. The short one, insert the overflow. Put the water in here. Until the water overflows. Insert power cable. Enter password 68. Click therapy page. Pump the water into handle. If have bubbles in the waters, we have to dry the water out. You need to dry out of the water. And then pump the water again. The bubbles will be disappeared. What we should pay more attention when we install. If you want to replace a handle, first we need to make sure the power is off. You need to be slowly pulling out the handle. If you pull it out too fast, the water will be splashed to the socket. Here are some water. You can use cotton swab to clean. Make sure to change water once a month with purified water or distilled water. Next video, I will show you how to use EMfocus. See you next video!